The ultimate phone farming guide for 2025. What if I told you these devices right here are pure gold and one of the easiest ways to make a passive income online? Imagine making up to $200 a month by just downloading a few apps on your device. Hey everyone, it's Dan from Sidehustlereliance. On our channel, our aim is to help the online money making community find new and exciting ways to profit using our PCs and our smartphones. Phone farming is in my blood. I'm always on the lookout for new passive ways to earn. Over the years, I've shared several videos covering a variety of different apps and platforms, but the eco space is constantly evolving, with new opportunities emerging. I want to be as transparent as possible in this video, so I'll be running all these different applications on multiple phones at once, each connected to a unique IP provided by a SIM card provider known as Lebara in the UK. Each SIM card from Lebara costs about £1 per month, and I actually get 100 gigabytes of data per device for £1, making this setup affordable and scalable pretty cheaply. As always, all the apps and sites mentioned are linked in the description, and I'm sure some of these will be new to you. If you are wanting to start a phone farm or scale up the current farm you have, it's definitely worth using cashback where you can to make that purchase. I've left my link in the description to Rakuten, which is a cashback site. On Rakuten, if you spend £50 on one of their chosen partners, like eBay, you'll actually get a £25 cashback bonus once that initial cashback becomes payable. Whenever I'm actually starting a phone farm, I always use a cashback site like Rakuten. I've actually bought all my mobiles through that to lower my ROI. It can literally save you a few pounds here and there, which means it's less risk when you're actually buying these used devices. Anyways, enough about that. Let's jump into the ultimate phone farming guide for 2025. Ember Fund. One of my favourite apps is Ember Fund. It lets you virtually mine Bitcoin on your mobile device. Just make sure you sign up with someone's referral code and you'll actually get a 6x earning boost, increasing your mining rate from 1 Satoshi per hour to 6 Satoshis per hour. If you haven't signed up already, I've actually left my link in the description for that. On Ember Fund, once you're actually signed up and logged in, simply tap Start Earning Bitcoin. You'll watch a short ad to activate the mining, and then you would repeat this every 24 hours. The best thing is, Ember Fund will even remind you when it's time to mine again. With just one referral, at the current price of Bitcoin, you could be earning 15 cents per day by watching a single ad. But the best thing is, if you actually max out your referrals and hit 100 Satoshis an hour, you'll be earning almost $2.50 per day from just this one application alone. I'm currently running Ember Fund on 2 phones, and it actually works a treat. You can easily make $75 a month if your account is maxed for just watching one ad. You can't complain about that. MSR. MSR, or Measure Protocol, pays you for sharing your digital insights from platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and your device's screen time. MSR is easy to use, it works in multiple countries, and it's great for earning on the go. You can actually sign up for MSR with my link in the description, and you'll actually unlock a retro task worth $2 instantly, which is fantastic. Where MSR shines is with regards to their data sharing. So every week you can earn by sharing your iOS privacy report and your screen time data. Submit your privacy report on Mondays for a $1 payout and upload screen time recordings to earn up to another $1. MSR also offers occasional bonus tasks on their platform every 2 to 4 weeks for sharing data from apps like Amazon or TikTok. These pay at least 50 cents each. To maximise your earnings, make sure you stick with these weekly tasks to earn $2 consistently, and then grab the extra bonuses when they drop. With MSR, you can run it on as many devices as you would like. Each device will earn you at least $10 a month. Consumer Pulse. Consumer Pulse is an invite-only panel that rewards you for sharing your shopping habits. Luckily, I found a sign-up link for you, and I've actually linked it in the description. This link does change, so please let me know in the comments if it does need updating. It's not a referral link, it's just a sign-up link. On Consumer Pulse, they actually want to know more about your purchasing habits when it comes to fashion items. You can earn 50p per item reported, up to 20 items a month. It's fast, simple, and each entry takes less than a minute. The best part is, on Consumer Pulse, you can make up your purchases. There's no evidence needed, and you'll still get paid. They must think my entire wardrobe is from Primark. Since Consumer Pulse is web-based, that means you can use it on any device, no matter its age. On Consumer Pulse, you can cash out at £10 via vouchers, like for Uber Eats. If you want PayPal instead, you can sell this voucher on CardYard and earn around £8.60 in cash instead. I'm currently using Consumer Pulse on 5 different devices and it's working like a charm. I'm making around $15 per month per device. coinapp. After you download the app and complete a short tutorial, you'll now be earning their own token known as coin. To unlock automation within the coinapp, you need to mine 15 times within the application, and that will unlock the auto explore mode. To maximize your earnings on coinapp, make sure you enable screen lock in the settings, turn on audio ads and plug in some headphones. And there you go, you are now earning 24/7 with coin. For max results on coin, make sure you run a second device. Just make sure you stick to the 2 device limit per household to avoid detection. With this setup, I make around $30 a month per 2 devices and it's completely passive. Rita. Rita is a top data sharing app for phone farming. Just install it, sign up and connect a Google account to start earning. And you'll earn 50 cents for sharing your Google data. Just make sure if you are running this on multiple accounts, you will be using separate Google accounts. With Rita, the real value comes in their daily lucky draw. So you get 1 free spin every 24 hours with prizes up to €5. The only problem is this daily wheel is not available to everyone. So depending on which version of the application you're running, some people will have access to it and other people will not. But if you do have access to it, you will be expected to win around 40% of the time. And I've never actually won less than 20 cents, which is pretty good. On Rita, you can cash out at €4, and I personally make around €3 per device per week. THX. THX is an audio data sharing platform designed for audio data monetization. It remains to be one of the easiest ways to earn some passive income from your phone. Simply download the app, sign in with your number and leave it running in the background. No interaction needed. Each device can earn you around 50 cents per day, making it a hassle-free way to earn. And I personally cash out around £10 per device per month, and I'm running this on 7 different devices. Media Rewards. Media Rewards is still one of the top apps out there where you can earn money by just letting it run in the background. It monitors ads playing on your TV and radio, and by doing that you'll actually be rewarded with points, which will then be used in sweepstakes for your chance to win some free gift cards. You can run Media Rewards on as many devices as you would like, as long as it has a unique phone number. Just keep the application running and you'll accumulate these points automatically for your chance at winning up to $100 weekly in their draws. And yes, I have one. On Media Rewards, you will also get access to exclusive surveys that pay around $7 and only take a few minutes to finish. You can cash out on Media Rewards when you hit £10, which is 1,350 points, and I typically cash out at least once per month per device, and I earn around $15 monthly per device because of that. brandbee. brandbee is very similar to other get paid to sites, but with a twist. On brandbee, you can set up auto clickers to earn an easy 5 cents a day per device with no cap on the amount of devices you use, and you can cash out at $5. Walking apps. Step tracking apps like weward, Macadam, Cashwalk and Walkwork offer an easy way to earn some passive income by just walking. Some users use phone cradles to simulate walking, and if you do that, you can earn up to 68 pence a day by just faking a walk. The only application which is known to ban users is weward, so it's best to cap your steps at 25,000 a day to stay under the radar. These walking applications can run on multiple devices, but each one would require ID verification and a separate email. Data sharing apps. Before I get into this, I do want to mention I am running each of my devices on separate IPs, so that way I can maximize the most out of these data sharing platforms. Anyways, let's get into it. So, passive data sharing apps offer a low effort way to monetize unused internet bandwidth. The top 5 are honeygain, Peer2Profit, PawnsApp, bytelixir and earnapp. honeygain is a beginner friendly app offering a $3 sign up bonus, and all you need to do is download the APK from their website and install it on your Android device, and you'll earn around 25 cents per day per device. For Peer2Profit, you will have to download the APK from Telegram, but it's totally legit, and you'll earn around 33 cents per day, and they do allow multiple devices. PawnsApp can be downloaded from the App Store, and that earns me around 50 cents per day per device, and it's a good one. You can download bytelixir from their website and install the APK, and that earns me around 20 cents per day per device. And finally, there's earnapp, where you can download that from their website again, and I earn around $12 per month per device with simple Android setup there. These 5 data sharing applications work quietly in the background, making them perfect for a hands-off, low-risk approach to online earning. To conclude, that's 15 different platforms where you can use your mobile device to make some easy money online. And yes, you can run all 15 apps on one device. This makes phones absolutely golden. I'm currently running 7 devices, each with the capability of earning up to $200 a month for minimal effort. If you've got any questions, please drop them in the comments below. This channel is all about sharing the best ways to earn online. If you enjoyed this video, please give a like, it would be greatly appreciated. On screen right now is my 2 newest videos, and I'll catch you guys real soon.
What I need is a phone